Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Salo. Please do not forget to subscribe, like and also share this video. So Musa Mseleku has been receiving a lot of backlashes as people were saying that he influences young black and broke men to get into polygamy even though they're not able to take care of their multiple wives financially, guys. Well, Musa Mseleku has finally spoken out and said that he does not support that notion at all. Musa showed off two big houses of a polygamist who has 2 wives and over 10 kids, guys. Well, Musa was proud of the man and said that's how polygamy should be. That the husband should be able to take care of both his wives and kids, guys. So without wasting your time, check out this video and subscribe if you have not yet done so.
Yabona manikhuluma ngesithembu, if you speak about polygamy, ukhuluma ngentombi. The house of the first wife, the house of the second wife. Undahle, undate mahur, and northwest. Indoda yangampela inabafazi abawu2, inengane eziwu10. Ayafiwa, I'm excited. Bukani bafowethu, bukani. Hayi lento yenu yokubuka ningifukela ningitshela ngabantu abazama indaba yesithembu into engekho. Ikusona-ke manje, the real deal is here. So manje ngizongena ngalapho, ngifuna ukungena kuyona yombili imizi, kodwa kufanele ngingene kulo noma ngingene kulo, kodwa-ke ekugcineni kosuku isithembu lesi.